Is that a dog? Mom, there's a dog at the door.
Did you bring that dog home?
No, he must have followed me home.
He's such a cute little dog. Can we keep him?
You'll have to ask your father when he comes home from work.
Dad's home.
I'm home. Who owns the dog?
Jason says the dog followed him home from work.
Can we keep him?
I don't know.
Please.
Okay, we can keep him.
What will we call him?
Rover.
How about Tiny?
Never.
I'll go make tea.
Will we call the dog Scooby-Doo?
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Jason. We're busy trying to think up of a name for the dog.
How about the name Santa's Little Helper?
Or Satan's Big Hinder?
That's a great name, Lucy.
I've never have thought of it.
We're calling the dog Satan's Big Hinder.
That is a name that I would never have come up with myself.